Today we're working on a 2002 Chevy Suburban, and I'm going to show you how to quickly unfreeze a lock door cylinder. So as you can see, I insert the key and I cannot get it to lock or unlock. So what you'll do is you'll just take a penetrating oil and spray it onto the key, and then you'll put it back into the keyhole and work it in and out. Do it again. And this will help unlock your ignition or your door lock cylinder. That's all you have to do.
Mobile mechanics, straight to your door.